it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I have a question that's actually from Facebook. If you guys didn't know, you can go follow me on Facebook as well. I will link that down in the description box below if you'd like to go check out my Facebook page. But I wanted to address this question or comment from Cindy Prescott Cornelius. And she says, I'd be interested in what you add to the back of your signs to hang them on the wall. I just found your channel and I have binge watched all your videos. I love your style and everything you make is fantastic. Thank you for sharing your talents. Well, thank you so much, Cindy, for asking this question or requesting to know what I use on the back of my pictures. And actually, there's two different things that I use to hang my pictures. And the first one is pretty basic, and that is a Sawtooth picture hanger, like the one I have here on this sign. So anything that is lightweight, which is most of my wood signs, I use a Sawtooth picture hanger, and in some cases I need to use two. So I'll put one on each corner because one in the middle just isn't enough. The other thing I like to use for very heavy items are these D-ring hangers. And I've used these quite a bit on like farmhouse windows. So those things that are extremely heavy, these will hold up much better and hold the weight. So leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite thing to hang your pictures with? Is it the Sawtooth picture hangers? Is it the D-ring hooks? Or is there something else that you like to use best? Also, leave me your questions down below. Maybe I'll feature you in an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. You can leave me questions here on this video, other videos that I might address later down the road, or also like Cindy did, you can ask me on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button so I can continue bringing you this series. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit that bell as well so you get notifications when my videos do go live, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.